Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set daily and monthly mobile data limit on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on mobile network. From here, tap on data usage, then go to data usage limits. Now if you want to set a daily data usage limit, just tap on daily data usage limit, and from here just enable daily data usage limit. And from here you can select if you want your daily data usage to be in megabytes or in gigabytes. For an example, if I select gigabytes, and from here just set a daily data usage limit. For an example, if you select 5 gigabytes, your daily data usage limit will be 5 gigabytes. After you enter your daily data limit, then you will find when data limit is reached. Under this section, you can select two actions. You can either select send an alert only, and it will only send an alert when your daily data limit is reached. Also, you have the option of send an alert and turn off mobile data. And once you select this option, your smartphone will automatically turn off the mobile data and send you an alert when your daily data limit is reached. Now, after you select one of these options, then tap on done to save. And once you do that, you will set a daily data usage limit. But if you want to set a monthly data usage limit, just tap on this option over here, then enable monthly data usage limit. And from here, you can set a monthly data usage limit. For an example, if you tap on gigabytes, you can select your monthly data usage to be in megabytes or in gigabytes. For an example, I will select gigabytes. And from here, just enter your monthly data usage limit. For an example, I will enter 15 gigabytes. And after that, you can select what action your smartphone should take when your data limit is reached. You can select send an alert, and your smartphone will only send an alert when your monthly data usage limit is reached. Or you can select send an alert and turn off mobile data. And if you select this option, your smartphone will automatically turn off the mobile data and send you an alert when your data limit is reached. And once you're finished with your settings, just tap on done to save. And this is how you can set daily and monthly mobile data limit on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.